Hi everyone, welcome to today's yoga class. So I invite you to place your feet apart, hands apart, and gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. Let's take a nice deep breath through our nostrils and out. Big inhale through your nostrils and out. One last big inhale, nice and slow. Inhale through your nostrils and out. Perfect. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. So let's start the mobilization, right? So just follow me. Look to your right, your left, your right, your left, your right, your left, and stop at the center all the way up and down, chin all the way up and down, chin all the way up and down. Left knee to left shoulder, right knee to right shoulder. Let's keep going. Just relax that neck. Now we're moving to the shoulders and stop at the center. We're moving to our hands. So cross them over your chest, in front of your chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Move your elbows up and down. Good, because it's a quick class. We're just mobilizing fast. Punch forward for your upper arms. Perfect. Check in with your fingers, right? That's it. Good. Place your hands on your waist. Circles. Good. And opposite. Perfect. You're going to balance on your left foot, right foot up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And balance again on the right, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. If you want, you can hold on to something and mobilize your ankles to your right side and to your left. Good. Now your left leg to your right side and to your left. So we mobilized every part of our body. So let's go all the way down to the mat and do a few rounds of cat-cow. Come into a tabletop position. So that is the distance between your kneecaps is going to be the length of your forearm, right? So inhale, drop your belly, gaze all the way up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale, nice and slow, spine up, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale. Exhale. Now we're going to bend your right knee and bring your chin, your forehead in front, inward. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, leg in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stop. And left knee inward and your forehead inward. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. Stay here. Deep breathe. Inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. So I want you to interlace your fingers. Place them on the mat. Let's do the dolphin, right? And when they're ready, your elbows are right under your shoulders. You're going to tuck your toes and bring your butt up. Then you're going to walk your feet a little inward and stay here. Feel that nice stretch on your back. That's it. So say this is hard for any of you. Continue, the others hold on. So the others, you all can just go to a downward dog, right? Either way, because it's a small session, we're trying to do as much as we can, but safely. Just feel that stretch. That's it. It's good to get that boost. Your back pain, upper arm tones your body. And knees to the mat. Good job. Child's pose. Begin inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. Let's place our right foot in between our palms, right? Then left foot in between our palms. And I'm going to move a little towards the center. Place your feet in a V shape, right? Then inhale. Stop at 90. Exhale again. Inhale all the way up, up, up. Imagine someone's pulling you from the ceiling. That's it. Then backwards. And to the heart center. Good job. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Nice job. Let's do some simple jogging to get the blood flow going. And then I'm going to hold on to this. If you want, you can go ahead and do star jumps as well. That's it. Perfect. Hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Nice job. Good. So we're going to do Garudasana today. Garudasana is the eagle pose, but if it is a little challenging, I invite you to go closer to a wall. So you're going to come into a mountain pose, really great for focus. You're going to squat just a little bit and interlace your right leg over your left, right? Then your left hand over your right hand, and we're going to hold the pose. Great job. Slowly release your hands, release your leg, and we're done. Check in with your knees. Let's repeat it to the other side. All right. So mountain pose, I'm going to show the other way if you are needing support. So mountain pose, squat. Then you're going to interlace your leg, but this time we're just going to place it on the wall, right? I'm just showing an alternate. And opposite hands interlaced, and we're going to hold. Great job. Release your hands, release your legs, and done. Check in with your knees. Good job. Place your hands apart, feet apart. What do we do? Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. So I invite you to come into a seated position. We're going to do Janusiddhasana. Right? That's the hands to feet, head to knee, sorry. That's it, stay there. First of all, allow your body to figure out what we're doing. Let your body melt into the mat. Perfect. So you're going to come into a seated position like that. This is Dandasana, Sthiti Dandasana. Bend your right knee near your inner left thigh. Right, and since it's a smaller session, don't worry about the reach, right? We're just going to go very gently and place our hands wherever that may go, because we have not warmed up to a 40-minute one-arc session, right? So inhale, sweep your hands up, 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 bend backwards. Exhale, take your tummy in, and let's hold on wherever that may be today, and let's just stay there. Feel that nice stretch on your back. This is good for our gut, for back pain, right, for anxiety. So breathe normally and look at your knee. You're doing great. Flex your left toes towards you. Five more seconds. Great job. Release your hands. Inhale all the way up, up, up. Exhale, hands down. Nice job. All right, release your right leg. Let's repeat it to our left, right? So you're going to bend your left knee and your left foot is going to be on your right inner thigh. Sit straight, tall. Inhale all the way up, up, up. Bend backwards. Exhale, take your tummy in just a bit and fall to wherever you may be today. and deep breathe. And your drishti point, that is your focus point, is going to be your knees. Flex your right toes towards you. Great job. 5 more. Perfect. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands down. Good job. Release that left leg. Hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. I invite you to lie on your chest, so the other way around. We're going to do the cobra pose, right? And then the locust pose for count. First of all, makarasana. So opposite palms on your opposite shoulders, feet apart, heel on the floor, and deep breathe. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. Bring your feet together, hands together, Puranga Namaskara. Forehead on your mat. Hands beside your shoulders. Now chin on your mat. That's it. Ready? We are going to bring our upper body up. Ready? Inhale up and down. Let's do it 2-3 times. Third time, hold up. Down, go with the breath. Inhale up and hold. So your elbows should be tucked nicely near your rib cage, not out there, right here. Good. And smile. It's really good for your back pain. Then any period issues, irregular periods, right? Ten more. Good job. Inhale. Exhale slowly down. Puranga Namaskara. Always go the same way we came out. And Makarasana. Deep breathe. Good job, girls. Good job. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Good. Now we have to counter this pose, right? So again, Puranga Namaskara. Then you're going to make a fist with both your palms. Place it in your upper thigh. Chin on the mat. When you're ready, inhale both legs off the mat. Great job. Slowly down. Release your palms. Puranga Namaskara and Makarasana. Deep breathe. Begin to inhale through your nostrils. Exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. Really good job, guys. Let's settle into a child's pose just for a little bit. Get that yummy stretch in the back, your shoulders. Big inhale and exhale. Awesome. I invite you to lie down in Shavasana and we'll do a quick cool down, which is mandatory for all the yoga classes, right? You need to lie down and cool down your body. So hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. I will tell you to guide you to cool down and then we'll end the session. So I'm going to be in a seated position, right? So let's begin. Make sure your palms are facing the ceiling. Your feet are extended to the width of your mat. Visualize yourself lying on the mat, hands apart, feet apart. completely relaxed. Gently move your awareness all the way to the back of your feet, your toes, your ankles, your calf muscles, your shin, your kneecaps, your thighs, your hip bones. Let it all relax. Gently shift your awareness to your abdomen area. Visualize your abdomen healed and relaxed. Visualize all the organs in your abdomen healed and relaxed. Gently shift your awareness further up to your rib cage. Visualize your lungs and your heart are healthy. Let's move further up to our shoulders. Let's take a nice deep breath through our nostrils. Visualize your shoulders and exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. Visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great. Let's go all the way down to our fingertips. Soften your fingertips, your palms, your wrists, your forearms, your elbows, your upper arms. Let it all relax. Your hands are completely relaxed. Gently shift your awareness to the front of your neck, the back of your neck. Soften your chin, your jaws, your lips, your nose, your cheeks, your eyes, your eyebrows, your forehead, your ears. Your face is completely relaxed. Relax the crown of your head. You are completely relaxed from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. Visualize yourself floating in the air, light as a feather, completely relaxed. Let's take 3 abdominal breaths. Begin inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Begin inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Even slower, big inhale and exhale. Great job. I invite you to turn to your right side and very gently come into a seated position. Sit tall. Great. Let's rub our palms together. Cup your eyes. Rub your palms together. Cup your fists, your neck, all the way down to your toes. Massage your shoulders gently. Pat your shoulders. Pat your back. Make a fist with your right hand behind you. Hold it with your left. Inhale behind. Exhale all the way towards the mat. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, palms on your kneecaps. Bring your palms in front of your face. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Really good job. I hope you feel energized and also calm and centered after that meditation as well to hold, seal the session. And I hope that you maintain this energy and extend it even outside the mat. So I will see you next time. Bye for now.